Start, sir.
Good morning. This is Santosh Mitbaokar from Bmc. Today we are going to learn about a chapter which we have already learned. We have done it like 3-4 sessions of it. But still understanding what are equations, what's a variable, what's an unknown, what's a known form, what is left hand side, what is right hand side, still is a big question for many. Equations कैसे solve करें? How do you solve equations? Equations में x आ जाता है, y आ जाता है, a आ जाता है, b आ जाता है. You get confused. कैसे equation solve करें? What is an equation? I just give a small example. Suppose I have say some amount in my pocket. Okay, I have some amount in my pocket. I won't tell you how much is the amount. There is some amount in my pocket. And if I say I add 50 rupees to it, whatever is the amount in my pocket, if I add 50 rupees to it, I get 150 rupees. Listen very carefully. I have some amount in my pocket. I don't know. You don't know what it is. And I say, if you add 50 rupees, if I add 50 rupees to my pocket, I get 50 rupees, I put it in my pocket, the amount becomes 150. I'll tell you again in Hindi if you wish. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं. I have some amount in my pocket. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं. In that I put 50 rupees. In that I put 50 rupees. The total amount is 150. वह 150 हो जाते हैं. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे है. You don't know what it is. But I tell you, I give you a clue that if I add 50 rupees, the amount is 150. Then you may start thinking, hey, kitne amount is? Some of you must be very smart. You must have guessed the amount is 100 rupees. 100 rupees there, tabhi usme 50 rupees when I put, I get 150. This is how you have solved in your mind already the equation. But if you don't know, if you do it by equations, by the forming the equation or framing the equations, you could have done it. Like this one was easier. Right? How do you do it? The amount in my pocket, let it be M, money M. M, 50 rupees were added to it. M plus 50. The next total amount would be, is, will be, was. This all will be equal to M plus 50. Amount in my pocket. M, 50 rupees added plus 50 is equal to 150. M plus 50 is equal to 150. What plus 50 will give you 150? 100 plus 50 will give you 150. That means 50 you subtract from both the sides. You get the answer as amount in my pocket is rupees. Amount in my pocket is rupees 100. Okay, this is how you know. Or else I'll give you an example. The number of boys in my class is 10 more than number of girls. The number of boys in my class is 10 more than the number of girls. And the total number of students is 50. Number of boys, girls say 10 ज़्यादा है. So whatever is less, you take it as x. Girls x है, boys are 10 more. याद रखो 10 more means plus. Girls को हमने x ले लिया. Boys को हमने 10 ज़्यादा है. अगर girls 5 हैं, तो girls 5 plus 10, 5 plus 10 is 15. If the girls are 15, boys are 15 plus 10, 25. Or, and I say when you add them, you say amount. Say girls x है, boys are 10 more, x plus 10. Boys और girls को add करके हमें क्या मिलता है? 50. So x girls plus boys, x plus 10 will give you 50. X और x मिलके 2x हो जाएगा, plus 10 is equals to 50. So if you solve the equation, you will get 2x is equals to 40, x is equals to 20. मतलब girls 20, boys 30. मिलके answer आ जाएगा. The number of girls in the class is 20. The number of boys in the class is 30. So this is how you solve even without solving it. Okay. So wherever the numbers come or wherever the words come, terminologies. Remember कौन से terms आएंगे तो what you have to remember in an equation. More than, add, total. It becomes altogether. ये सब वर्ड्स के लिए वर्ड यूज करना है प्लस. सपोज सिंपल एग्जांपल इफ आई गिव यू, so suppose there were 4 cars on the road. There were 4 cars on the road parked, right? And 5 more came. So 4 plus 5. Next time I say there were some cars on the road, some number, you don't know the unknown number of cars. 3 more cars joined. Now the total number is 15. कितने कार से पता है नहीं, लेकिन उसमें 3 कार और आ गए. The number is 15. So पहले कितने कार थे? X कार पहले पकड़ ली, उसमें +3 added came in x plus 3. Total becomes equal to, इसका मतलब equal to x plus 3 equals to 15. So 12 we take it on the other side. X is equal to 15 minus 12. This all I'm talking about. Why am I telling you all this? Because you should understand less than minus 5 times 5 into equal to is equal to. Now you understand all these terms. So what we are going to do is in the same chapter we are going to further study about the different problems of forming equations and how do we solve it. So this is what we are talking about. We are going to learn about equations in one variable. Of course, standard 8, and I'm your teacher who is going to help you out and make this lesson very easy for you. We'll have few more sessions if you want, but you should understand. Santosh Mitbaokar from Bmc. Known to unknown. You are going from known to unknown. मतलब known मतलब जो हमें पता है. You just like a detective. Detective की तरह जाना है तुम्हें. Whatever clues you get to the answer. You get to the murderer. You get to the thief. Detective की तरह जैसे detective ढूंढता है ना in the movie, he finds out who the culprit is, or something is hidden. You go and find in the treasure hunt. From known, whatever clues you have, whatever things you know, you always use them when you go from known to unknown. Now take example of this. 3x plus 5 equals to 20. There is a number x, उसको अगर 3 से multiply करेंगे, that is 3x, 3 times a number plus 5 and add 5 to it, you get 20. कौन सा number है जिसको आप 3 से multiply करोगे, उसमें 5 डालोगे तो 20 आएगा. You go stepwise. You have done already all this, but I'm just doing so that you understand how to solve an equation after framing it. So 3x plus 5 is called as left hand side. I'm doing the basics again and again. We have already done in 3 sessions. And 5 and 20 is called as the right hand side. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. जैसे तराजू होता है ना, जैसे सब्जी वाला आपको तराजू देता है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड दोनों सेम होते हैं. एक पलड़ा भारी है, if you put some weight in it, one pan will go down, the other pan will go up. Whatever is heavy will go down. Now left hand side equal to right hand side. So remember this. Now suppose say this example, a plus 34 is equal to 50. एक number है, if you add 34 to it, you get 50. Children who are smart, जो फटाफट maths कर लेते हैं, many of you are like that. एक number है, उसमें 34 add करो, a plus 34. One number plus 34, you get the answer as 50. Now you may start thinking, 15 add करो, say, 16. You may think like that. So that's called as trial and error method. So a plus 34 is 50. Now there is another way of doing it. What it is, you eliminate. You keep all the unknown terms of left hand side. Left में सारे unknown, मतलब a, x, y जो भी है, और सारे numbers on the right hand side. So there is a procedure to do it. There is a method to do. सबसे पहले plus 34 को निकाल दो यहाँ से. So to remove plus 34, we need minus 34. And as you say in a weighing pen or tarazu, what we do, we have to subtract or add from both the sides. So a plus 34 minus 34 and 50 minus 34. The solution for this would be a is equal to 50 minus 34, a is equals to 16. So what basically we did, two sides of an equation are similar to that of a weighing pan. See, weighing pan, दोनों तरफ same है. See, no difference in both the pans. Both are at same level, means both have equal weight. Here, in fact, we don't have any weight, so both are at equal weight. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's the basic of equation we should remember. That's the basic of equation we should remember. Now this equation 3x plus 7 is equals to 28. ये question है. Now what you do, there is 7. 3x plus 7 equal to 28. Now you have to remove 7. So 3x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 28 minus 7. What we have done is subtracted 7 from both sides. Right? 3x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 28 minus 7. Subtracting 7 from both sides, we get 3x. देखो पहले से इक्वेशन देखो 3x plus 7 equal to 28. Now 3x plus 7 है 7 को हम निकाल रहे हैं पहले. We are removing 7. So 3x plus 7 minus 7. So if you are removing 7 from left side, आपको 7 right side से भी निकालना है. तो 3x plus 7 में देखो minus 7, 28 minus 7. You have subtracted 7 from both sides. So 3x is equals to 21. 7 plus 7 minus 7, 0. 28 minus 7, 21. Now 3 into x is equal to 21. Remember, if you want to remove plus 7, we need minus 7. If you want to remove plus 4, we have minus 4. If you want to remove into 3, we have to do divided by 3. If you want to remove into 5, we have to divide by minus 5. याद रखो, these are opposite operations. Plus and minus are opposite operations, and multiplication and division are exactly opposite operations. So if you want to go ahead and go back to the same place, you have to multiply, then again divide, you get to the same number. You add the same number, subtract the same number, you come back to the same number. So here 3x is equal to 21. 3 into x is equal to 21. So 3x, 3 into x, the operation here is multiplication. So multiplication's opposite operation would be division. 3x, if 3 number is multiplied by 3, you have to divide by 3. 3x upon 3 is equal to 21 upon 3. X is equal to 7. The solution is x is equals to 7. This is how we solve it. A few more examples. Suppose 5a plus 20 is equals to 3a plus 30. Now in this equation, 5a minus 3a is equal to 30 minus 20. Now 5a minus 3a, right? So here we get 2a is equals to 10. There is a mistake in this one. 2a is equal to 10 and a is equals to 5. Okay, equals to 5. Okay. Now see, look at this question. 2m plus 7 is equals to 9. Subtracting from 7 from both sides, we get 2m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 9 minus 7. So 7 and 7 goes, 9 minus 7 gives, you get 2. 2m plus 2. So dividing on 2 by both sides, you get m is equals to 1. Again, go through it. 2m plus 7 is equals to 9. Now subtract 7 from both sides. 2m plus 7 equal to 9 हमारा equation है, first line. Second line, you subtract 7 from both sides. So 2m plus 7 minus 7 is equals to n minus 7. Now 2m, 7 minus 7 will give you 0. 9 minus 7 will give you 2. Dividing by 2 on both sides, you get m is equals to 1. आप check भी कर सकते हो. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 7 is equals to 7, 9. 2 plus 7, that is 9. Understand this again. 2m plus 7 equals to 9. Plus 7 we are removing. To remove plus 7, we use minus 7. So if you are you're subtracting 7 from both sides, it has to be from left hand side and right hand side as well. So 2m plus 7 minus 7 equal to 9 minus 7. Now plus 7 minus 7 will give you 0. 9 minus 7 will give you 2. So 2m is equals to 2. Dividing by 2 on both sides, you get m is equals to 1. Now 7 into, now this kind of questions where we have brackets to be open. 7 into a plus 3 is equal to 3 into a plus 9. Now 7 solution, 7a plus 7 into 3, 21. 3a plus 3 into 9, 27. We are opening the brackets. We are multiplying by 7 and 3 on both the side, like both the brackets. 7a. Now 3a, which is on the right hand side, will come to the left hand side. 7a minus 3a is equal to 27 minus 21. We are taking all the unknown terms on the other side, known terms on the other. So 4a is equal to 6. Now 4a is equal to 6. 4 which is getting multiplied goes to the other side, gets divided. That means we are dividing by 4 on both sides. I'm getting this step slightly ahead because you know how to solve an equation. We are going a little ahead now. Now a is equal to 6 upon 4. There is a table which comes common, which simplify it. That is, they both get divisible. They are both divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again, go through this question. 7 into a plus 3 is equal to 3 into a plus 9. Now 7 into a will give you 7a plus 7 into 3 will give you 21, which is equal to 3 into a. This 3 we have to multiply by the whole bracket. 3 into a plus 3 into 9, which is 27. Now 7a plus 21 is equal to 3a plus 27. 7a 3a जो राइट साइड में है वो a वाले सब एक तरफ ले आओ. टेक ऑल द a टर्म्स और द अननोन टर्म्स ऑन वन साइड. तो 7a minus 3a और the 21 which is on the left side में जो 21 है सिर्फ नंबर है वो राइट में. सारे नंबर्स take it to the right. All the numbers you take it to the right. Only alphabet should be there or the variables or the unknown should be there on the left hand side. You can be left hand side or right hand side. Just one side, whichever. 7a minus 3a is equal to 27 minus 21. 7a minus 3a will give you 4a. 27 minus 21 will give you 6. Now 4a is equal to 6. Now 4 into a is 6. Now 4 into a, if you divide by 4 on both sides, you get 4a upon 4 is a. And 6 upon 4 as 3 upon 2. So the answer for this equation is, or the solution for this equation is a is equal to 3 upon 2. Now word problems. One of the three consecutive natural numbers is 5 times the smallest number is 5 times the smallest number is 9 more than 4 times the greatest number. Find the numbers. One of the three consecutive natural numbers. तीन consecutive natural numbers. Natural numbers क्या होते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which your mother teaches you. 1 to infinity. Now, what you have in this, one of the three consecutive natural numbers is 5 times the, तीन consecutive numbers है. 5 times the smallest number is 4 more than greatest number. Right? Now, 5 times the smallest number. Smallest number जो है, 5 times the smallest number is 4 more than the greatest number. Find the numbers. Let the smallest number be a. Now, according to the given condition, क्या है? 5a is equal to 4 times. So we have 5a into 4a plus 8 plus 9. 5a minus 4a is equal to 17. A is equals to 17. So the numbers are 17, 18 and 19. Now, how do you get this? I have saw teacher does this on the blackboard. लेकिन आपको समझ में ही नहीं आया कि क्या करें, कैसे आए ये नंबर्स. छोटा नंबर a कैसे आया, बड़ा नंबर कैसे आया, a+2 कैसे आया. Let the number be a. This is how it is solved, but you don't understand. Sir, ये आया कैसे? You solve it. Teacher gives on the board, you get and you go ahead. But what of natural number? How do you get a? How do you get a+2? Your teacher or you must understand. Instead of she telling you, you should ask you why a and why a+2. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers, say suppose 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are natural numbers. Natural numbers may, when you add 1 to it, you get the next number. Suppose 10. 10 plus 1, you must have learned in the lower classes also. 6 plus 1 gives you 7. 7 plus 1 gives you 8. So you add 1, you get the next number. Now here we are talking about three consecutive natural numbers. Now three consecutive natural numbers, suppose the first number is say 23. The next number will be 23 plus 1, 24. उसके बाद वाला number, the next consecutive number would be 23 plus 1 plus 1. So 23, 23 plus 1, 24, 23 plus 1 plus 1, that is 23 plus 2, 25. So what we do basically, if the number is a 92, what are the next two numbers? 93 and 94. But how do you get 93 and 94? 92 plus 1 will give you next number, and उसके बाद वाला number, the next number, sorry, is 92 plus 2. 92, 92 plus 1, 92 plus 2. So what it is exactly? Let the smallest number be a. हमने a ले लिया. So उसके next वाला number क्या होगा? a plus 1. एक ऐड करेंगे तो next number आता है. उसके बाद वाला number क्या हो गया? a plus 2. उसके बाद वाला, what is the number after that? a plus 3. So a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3. This is how you go. The consecutive natural, consecutive मतलब एक के बाद आने वाले. So if the number is a, तीन numbers है, तो numbers कौन से होंगे? a, next number would be a plus 1, the next number would be a plus 2. So let the smallest number be a. So according to the given condition, 5a is equals to 4 into a plus 2 plus 9. 5 times the smallest number is, 5 times the smallest number, मतलब 5a is means equal to, is 4 times, is 9 more, 9 more मतलब plus 9. 9 more than 4 times the biggest number. ध्यान से सुने, it's slightly complex. 5 times the smallest number is, the 5 times for the 5 into smallest number, 5 times, so 5 into a simple 5 times 5 into a is equals to is 9 more, 9 more matlab plus 9. So you put plus 9 first. 9 more than what? 4 times. 4 times the largest number. अब largest number कौन सा है? A plus 1 or A plus 2, A plus 2. 4 times the largest number means 4 into A plus 2. So what do you get the equation of 5 times the smallest number, which is 5A, is equal to 9 more, but the plus 9, 4 times the biggest number, 4 into A plus 2. So what do you get? 5A is equal to 4A plus 8 plus 9. So 5A is equal to 4A plus 8 plus 9. You add 8 and 9, you get 17. Now you take 4A, which is on the right hand side to the left hand side. So if you take plus 4A from right hand side to left hand side, subtracting 4A from both sides, we get 5A minus 4A is equal to 17. 5A minus 4A will give you 1A. So A is equal to 17. So 17, A's value is 17. Smallest number is 17. The next number is 18. And the next number is 19. You can check this. 17. 5 times the smallest number. Chota number kaun sa hai? Which is the smallest number? 17. Now 5 times the smallest number, which is 17 into 5. 17 5s are 85. Is 9 more. 9 more than what? 4 times the largest number. Largest number kaun sa hai dekho isme? 19. Iska 4 times. 4 make it 4 times. 19 4s are 76. 19 ones are 19, 92s are 38, 93s are 57, 19 4s are 76. And now in this 76, you add 9. 76 plus 9. 4 times the largest number plus 9. So 76 plus 9 will give you 85, which is 5 times the smallest number. So this is how you check your answers. We'll go to the next question. Mother is 25 years older than her son. Find the son's age if after 8 years, ratio of son's age to mother's age will be 4 upon 9. Now understand this question. How do I solve this question? Mother is 25 years older than her son. Find the son's age if 8 years, after 8 years, ratio of son's age to mother's age will be 4 upon 9. Now in this question, very simple thing, याद रखो, सबसे पहले you take whoever is small or whoever is younger in the age problems, जिसकी भी age कम होगी ना, you take it as x. Now between mother and son, son's age would be less. इस question में क्या दिया है कुछ समझो, understand, read the question. Mother is 25 years older than her son. मतलब mother, if son is 5 years old, the mother is 25 years older. 5 में 25 डाल दो, मम्मी की age 30 होगी. Sorry, if the son is 15, you add 20 to it. 15 plus 25. Sorry, 10 plus 25. 10 if the son's age is 10, mother's age would be 10 plus 25, which is the 10 plus 25, which is 35. Okay. If the son's age is 15, mother is 25 years older than 15 plus 25. क्या difference होगा? 15 plus 25, which is 40 years. So mother's age, अगर हम बच्चे की age, son's age, if you take it as A or B, whatever, बच्चे की age समझो हमने B ले ली, son's age is B, mother is 25 years older, मतलब 25 इसमें added होगा, अगर बच्चे का age 5 है तो मम्मी का 5 plus 25, अगर बच्चे का age 10 है, mother's age is 10 plus 25, if the son's age is 15, mother's age is 15 plus 25. So if the mother's age, son's age, we are taking it as B. 10 it was 10 plus 25, 15 it was 15 plus 25, 5 it was 5 plus 25, so B it is B plus 25. So son's age अगर हमने B लिया, mother's age would be B plus 25. This is the first, हम लोगों ने दोनों की ages, we are supposed this would be the ages. Find the son's age if after 8 years. Now suppose अगर 8 years के बाद, suppose the son is अभी 5 साल का है, the son is 5 years now, and mother 15, 25 added to it 30. मतलब अगर बच्चे की उम्र आज 5 है, mother's age is 25. 5 and 25. Now after 8 years, अगर बच्चा, the son is 5 years old. After 8 years, what would be his age? 5 plus 8, 13. Now if the son is growing, the mother also will be growing, right? So if son's age is 5, after 8 years, it will be 5 plus 8, 13. Also the mother would grow. age is 30, 30 plus 8 she would go 38. So both their ages will grow. So after 8 years का क्या age होगा दोनों का? If son's age is B we have taken, so it would be B plus 8. Mother's age would be what? B plus 25 plus 8. Okay, and उनका ratio दिया है. Ratio means you divide something upon something, you compare when, and that is equals to 4 upon 9. We are going to solve this equation. Let the son's age be y years. Y years ले लिया. So according to the given condition क्या दिया है? Mother's age would be y plus 25. हमने देखा 25 ऐड करके. Now according to the next information which is given, if you add after 8 years y plus 8 son's age, mother's age में y plus 25 plus 8 उनका ratio लिया, that becomes 4 upon 9. Now you cross multiply 9 into y plus 8 is equals to 4 into y plus 25 plus 8, that is y plus 33. Now you open the brackets, multiply 9y plus 72 is equals to 4y plus 132. You take 4y on this side, 9y minus 4y is equal to 132 minus 72. 5y is equal to 10, y is equals to 10, son's age is 10 years, mother's age is y plus 25, that is 10 plus 25, that is 35. We go through this again. Let the son's age be y years. बच्चे की उम्र y years की है. So condition क्या दिया है? मम्मी की age sons की age से 25 ज्यादा है. Mother's age is 25 more than मतलब plus 25. More than whom? Son's age. तो son's age कितना है? Y. So y plus 25. ये सबसे first basic thing. Mother's age is 25 more. 25 more means plus 25. More than whom? Son's age. Son's age क्या है? Y. So y and y plus 25 are the ages, two ages which we are going to consider. Now according to the next condition, after 8 years son's age क्या होगा? Y plus 8. If son is going to grow, mother is also going to grow. Mother's age, whose present age is y plus 25, it would be y plus 25 plus 8, that is y plus 33. मतलब अभी के present age में sons के present age में 33 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. So according to the next information, दोनों का ratio लेना है. After 8 years, y plus 8 divided by y plus 25 plus 8. So that is y plus 8 upon y plus 33 is equal to 4 upon 9. Now you multiply, cross multiply 9 into y plus 8 is equal to 4 into y plus 33. Now 9 into y plus 8 into 4 into y plus 33, 9y into 9 into 8, 72 is equal to 4y plus 33 into 2, 132. 9y minus 4y is equal to 132 minus 72. 9y minus 4y will give you 5y. 132 minus 72 will give you 50. So 5y is equals to 50. Y is equals to 10. Son's age is 10 years. Mother's age is 25 more. So that is 35 years. So 10 years and 35 years. देखो बच्ची की उम्र 10 साल. Mother's age is 25 years more. That is 10 plus 25, 35 years. You can even add and check your answer if you want to. After 8 years, son की age, if present age of son is 10 years, after 8 years he would be 10 plus 8, 18. Mother after 8 years would be 35 plus 8, that would be 40. So you understand, you make the equation and you get the answer as the comparison as 4:9. Okay? Are you able to understand? Now we'll go to the next question. Now, same, if I give you a condition in which mother's age and son's age is 3 times, so when you add, you get the answer. The next question will go similar type. We'll skip this one. The sum of two consecutive numbers is 27. Find the numbers. Two consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers. I'm doing this again for you. Two consecutive numbers. अगर एक number 5 है, the next number is 6. You add 1 to it. So let the smaller number be n. The consecutive numbers. अगर 5 है, तो next number 5 plus 1. So smaller number को अगर n लिया, first number को हमने n लिया, the next numbers क्या होंगे? n के बाद वाला number होगा n plus 1. देखो, two consecutive numbers है, consecutive मतलब एक के बाद 11 and 12, 14 and 15, 17 and 18, 93, 94. So अगर 93 number है, the next number is 93 plus 1. 16 is the number, the next number is 16 plus 1. 45 is the number, next number is 45 plus 1. 46. Yeah, the number is n, हमें पता नहीं है, the next number is n plus 1. इसमें और एक condition है, there is one more condition which is given. Sum of two consecutive numbers is given, मतलब एक के बाद एक आने वाले number, उनका sum, sum मतलब addition. When you add these two, you get the answer is 27. इन दोनों को add करेंगे. According to the condition, as per the given condition, n plus n plus 1. If you add these two numbers, एक number n है, दूसरा उसका next number n plus 1, इनको add करेंगे तो 27 मिलता है. So when you add n plus n will give you 2n, 2n plus 1 is 27. 2n plus 1 will give you, it gives you 27. Now 1 is on the left hand side, you take it on the right hand side. 2n is equal to 27 minus 1, 26. 2n is equal to 27 minus 1. 2n is equal to 26. Now 2n to n is equal to 26. N is equal to 26. Now 2 into n is 26. N you have to divide by 2 on both sides. You get 26 upon 2. N is equal to 26 upon 2. And n is equals to 13. Okay. So you get the number as 13. The next number n plus 1 is 13 plus 1, 14. And when you add 13 and 14, you get the answer as 27. So you confirm the answer, check the answer and see whether you got. There are two numbers, right? Consecutive numbers, and when you add them, right, you get the answer as 27. There is a small trick to it. Agar consecutive numbers hai, two numbers hai, look at this. What is the answer? 27. उसमें से एक कम कर दो. 27 में से 1 you make it less. You get 26. Divide it by 2, you'll get 13. And this is how you can do it for scholarship, not for year. Now, this is a slightly difficult question. The denominator of a fraction is 2 more than the numerator of a fraction. If 5 is added to the denominator as well as the numerator, the value of the fraction becomes 4 upon 5. Find the fraction. Now, the denominator of a fraction is 2 more than the numerator of a fraction. Fraction में एक होता है numerator, एक होता है denominator. Numerator which is on the top, denominator which is on the down. Now, numerator and denominator, when I was a kid, when I started learning, I used to find it confusing. Numerator कौन सा, denominator कौन सा. But there are certain ways, from silly ways also to remember. I used to remember denominator means down, the one which is down. Numerator which is up, D say down. So remember any which way you want to remember. Don't get confused. Right? The denominator of a fraction is 2 more than the numerator of a fraction. Fraction में एक होता है numerator, the number which is on top, the number which is on down. Denominator which is that many parts, that is denominator. If you talk something which is non-mathematical, it's a number which is down, which is that many parts. Now, the denominator is 2 more, so it's a proper fraction. Denominator more than the numerator. Now, if the denominator is 3, the numerator is 5. If the denominator is 7, the numerator is 7, the denominator is 2 more, 7 plus 2. If the numerator is 6, the denominator is 6 plus 2. If the numerator is 1, the denominator is 1 plus 2. If the numerator is 2, the denominator is 2 plus 1. मतलब दो ज़्यादा है. Now, if the numerator we don't know, we take it as a, the denominator will be a plus 2. That's the first condition. Now, the next condition will also come. 5 is added to the denominator as well numerator. मतलब a and a plus 2 is our fraction. Now, in that fraction, if 5 is added, a plus 5, a plus 2 plus 5, the value becomes this. So this is how you go one step by step. Before starting the question, you should understand what exactly we are dealing with. So let the numerator be a, the denominator will become a plus 2. Now, as per the given condition, you add 5 to the numerator and the denominator. A plus 5. Fraction क्या हो गया? A upon a plus 2. A plus 5, a plus 2 upon 5 is equals to 4 upon 5. Now, 5 will be, you multiply, cross multiply, 5 into a plus 5 is equal to 4 into a plus 2 plus 5. See, simple equation, very simple. Only thing, if you can solve this one, you can solve any question, because nothing actually, these are all the things which you are going to deal with. Fractions, ages, numbers, digits, swapping, number of currency notes. Now let the numerator be a, denominator is a plus 2. Second condition, 5 is added to both numerator and denominator. Fraction क्या है? Numerator a, denominator a plus 2. Right? In दोनों में 5 add करना है, numerator में 5 add करना है, denominator you have to add 5. So a plus 5, a plus 2 plus 5. And the fraction, value of fraction 4 upon 5. So that is equal to 4 upon 5. See how we have broken up. First condition कहते हैं the denominator is denominator is 2 more. So जो छोटा वाला है उसको a लेंगे, the numerator we have taken it as x. Denominator is a plus 2. Now what's the condition given? If 5 is added to the numerator and also the denominator. So you add to the numerator which is a, you add 5, a plus 5. You add 5 to the denominator which is a plus 2, that's a plus 2 plus 5. The value of the fraction will become. So fraction में 5 add कर दिया. Then you add the value of the fraction becomes का मतलब equal to. becomes is 4 upon 5. 4 divided by 5. Now 5, you cross multiply 5 into a plus 5 is equal to 4 into a plus 2 plus 5. 5 into a is 5a. 5 5s are 25. 4 into a is 4a. And 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 into 7 is 28. Now here 5a minus 4a is equals to 28 minus 25. 1a is equals to 3. A is equals to 3. So if a is equals to 3, numerator is 3, the denominator is 2 more than a. So denominator will be a plus 2, which is 5. So numerator 3, denominator 5, the fraction is 3 upon 5. So the fraction is 3 upon 5. You can always check. You add and to the numerator and the denominator. 5 you add to the numerator, 5 you add to the denominator and see what the value. 3 plus 5 upon 5 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 and 10 both are divisible by 2, right? 2 4s are and 2 5s are the fractions. Value becomes 4.5, which is correct. And you can check your answers when you solve them. Now, this kind of questions which you have done in the last session as well, I'm just repeating this because some of you still did not understand how odd numbers are and what even numbers are. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Odd numbers 3, 5, 9, 11, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. Odd 3, 5, 7. The one जिसकी जोड़ी नहीं बनती. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now 3, 6, take this number. Take these three numbers. Take these three numbers. 3, 5, and 7. So 3 and 5, the difference is of 2. Between two consecutive odd numbers, the difference is of 2. Two odd numbers के बीच का difference 2 होता है. So 3 plus 2 डालेंगे, you get 5. Then again plus 2 डालेंगे, you get 7. So 3 plus 2, अगर 3 एक first number है, उसमें 2 डालेंगे, 3 plus 2 is 5. And again 3 plus 2 is 5, उसमें वापस 2 डालेंगे, you get the next number. So if the number is a, you add 2 to it, the next number would be a plus 2. The next odd number would be a plus 2. And you still add 2 to it, a plus 2 plus 2, that is a plus 4. A plus 2, a plus 2 plus 2, that is a plus 2 and a plus 4 are the three consecutive odd numbers. Now we'll solve this. Ekdam easy. When you understand the concept of consecutive odd numbers, let the first of the three consecutive numbers be n. First को n लिया. What would be the next two numbers? जैसे मैंने कहा था 3, 5 and 7. 3, the next consecutive number would be 5, which is 3 plus 2, which is 5. 5 plus 2, which is 7. The next two numbers will be m plus 2 and m plus 4. M, add 2 to it, you will get the next odd number. Still add 2 to it, you will get the next odd number. M plus 2 and m plus 4. So as per the given condition, you add all three numbers. M, first odd number. Second odd number is m plus 2. Third odd number is m plus 4. Then you add all these three. As per the given condition, you get it as m plus m plus 2 plus m plus 4 is equal to 66. Sorry, 69. There's a typing error in the question. It has to be 69. So m plus 2 plus m plus 4 is 69. So 3m plus 6 is equal to 69. 3m is equal to 69 minus 6. 3m is equals to 63. M is equals to 63 upon 3. M is equals to 21. So the required numbers. Now see, what did we do? You added all three. M into m plus 2 plus m plus 4 is 69. Now what is the given? There's a small error in the question. Numbers is 69, not 66. M plus 2 plus m plus 4 is 69. Now m into m plus 2 plus m plus 4 is 69. So m count karo. M and m will give you 3m. 2 plus 4 will give you 6. So 3m plus 6 is equal to 69. Now plus 6 को निकालना है पहले. So you subtract 6 from both sides. So 3m is equal to 69 minus 6. 3m is equal to 63. M is equals to divide by 3 on both sides. 63 upon 3. M is equal to 21. So the required numbers are 21, 23 and 25. Okay. Now go through this question again. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 66. 3 odd numbers hai. When you add the 3 odd numbers, you get it as 66. Now, what's the first odd number? We take it as m. The first odd number we take it as m. So, what will be the next? M plus 2, right? M plus 2. And still next one, m plus 2, which is m plus 4. As per the given condition, we have adding 3 numbers, we get as m plus 2 plus m plus 4 is 69. M, you open the brackets now, you add all of them. M plus 2 plus m plus 4 is 69. M plus m will give you 3m plus 6 is equal to 69. 3m is equal to 69 minus 6. 3m is equal to 63. M is equal to 63 upon 3. M is equal to 21. So the required numbers are 21, 23, and 25. Right? So, can I have my students coming in, sir, please? Before I give the assignment, can I have my students coming in? Can I get some students so that they can ask the doubts? Okay, I will ask you. Okay, I will ask you one question. Let me see whether you understand it or not.
Hello. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I say I have some money in my pocket. I say I have some money in my pocket, and if I add 10 rupees to it, my money becomes 15 rupees. I have some amount in my pocket. I don't know what it is, but I add 10 rupees to it, and my amount will become 15. So what was the amount originally in my pocket? मेरे जेब में कुछ पैसे थे. I had some amount in my pocket. I add 10 rupees to it. The amount will become 15. So मेरे पास शुरू में how much amount did I have in the beginning?
5 rupees. 5.
Very good. Very good. 5 rupees.
5
I'll
rupees.
ask one more
5
question.
rupees.
Okay, very good. This is how you start thinking of the question. मैं बोलूँगा if I say
Screen is not visible.
okay, I have kept it like that. If 3 times a number is 3 times a number is 18. 3 times the number is 18. 3 times the number is 18. I just come. Okay, I'll ask you just now. 3 times a number is 18. What is the number? एक number है उसको 3 से multiply किया, you get the answer as 18. What is the number?
6.
Very good. 6. 3 into 6 will give you 18.
Yes, sir.
Will give you 18. Very good. Now, if I say the sum of 3 numbers, sum of numbers is 7. Consecutive numbers is 7. Sum of 2 consecutive numbers is 7. Tell me which are the 2 numbers. 2 numbers है consecutive है, and when you add them, you get the answer as 7. Consecutive मतलब एक के बाद एक, जैसे 2 and 3, 5 and 6. Though 2 ऐसे numbers, when you add them, you get as 7. Think, because solving equations is basically कौन से 2 numbers add them you get 7 और एक के बाद एक होने वाले हो. 7 numbers.
7.
2 numbers you add them you get it as 7. 2 number को add करके 7 आता है, लेकिन वो numbers consecutive होने वाले. Consecutive का मतलब क्या? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 5 and 6 वैसे. Which are those 2 numbers?
3 and 5.
3 and 5, 3 and 4, 3 and
2
4.
and 5.
2 and 5.
3 and 5. See, consecutive बेटा, not 2 and 5. Consecutive का मतलब क्या? एक के बाद एक आने वाले. 3 and 5. 3 and 4.
6 and 1. Plus 1.
No. This is the
3 and
difference.
4.
No. That
5.
3 and 4. Why 3 and 4? Consecutive numbers. Okay. So I think you should understand these concepts well. What are consecutive numbers? Then what are even numbers? Consecutive odd numbers. and where the equations are. So thank you so much. If you have not understood, go through the slides again, understand the concepts, and thank you for attending.
Sir,
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Just if you want, I'll just give you the assignment. Wait. Just go through and see this up. You can take a screenshot of this one, or you can copy down these questions. You have a couple of minutes with you. If the sum of three consecutive numbers is 102, find the numbers. If the sum of the son's age and mother's age is 40 and the mother's age is 3 times the son's age, find their ages. The sum of the digits of two consecutive two-digit numbers is 7. The number is obtained by reversing the digit is 9 more than the original number, find the number. The third one is slightly difficult, but you can take help of your teachers, your friends, you'll get the answer for it. It's slightly challenging one, which you need to work on. If you don't get it, we will be there in the next session. So thank you so much. Thank you for attending. So Maths is Learn. Keep enjoying, keep learning, and please do subscribe and like our channel and go through this video so that you understand it better. Thank you so much.